All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is the 23rd of June, day 2 of my road to profitability. News-wise, we don't really have much. I am up a little late today because I was taking the gnarliest shit known to man. Anyway, so today is Tuesday. Today could be the wild card day or bearish day. I think it's going to be the wild card bullish day. Um, but I mean, yeah, my prediction is Monday bull, Tuesday wildcard bull. So far, we've moved pretty much only bearish. Just kind of scary. Monday did close bullish, so I am right about that. We did come all the way down, touch into a couple of levels. This is like a high time frame, super big order block. 4 hour wise, we've been very, very bearish. We are in a order or a fair value gap within a liquidity void. Um, Early time frame, we did close pretty bullish on this candle. 30 minutes was also very bullish. We have 6 more minutes until this 30-minute candle closes. Um, we haven't had a retracement just yet. Hopefully we don't get one right now. I want to close bullish on this candle as well, just so we could potentially catch something like this on 30-minute. But I really don't know. I really don't know. I definitely missed a couple of entries. These could have been my entries here, especially this second one. Um, but we'll see what happens on this continuation here. The hottest. So what if she acts like a stupid lying ass bitch, and she can't cook? And she only got 1.5 bras. She never got her kids with her. Her mother always got the kids. And her fingernail polish always chipping off her fingers. Talk about that. Enlighten us on that. We want to know about that. Get shown to followers, carousels get shown to followers and then non-followers, reels get shown to non-followers and then followers. Stories get leads, carousels get engagement, reels get followers. Stories build connection, carousels provide education, reels provide education and build authority. Stories post them 2 to 3 times a day, carousels post them 2 to 3 times a week, and there are cheat codes when you figure them out. And reels post them 3 to 6 times a week, depending on your style. Post your personal life, client results, and testimonials on your stories. Carousels post screenshotable guides and lists, as well as your client results. And for your reels, post educational and storytelling content. Stories get shown to followers. Carousels. Can you let me know if like stories get shown to my girlfriend that's cute or not? Like everyone keeps saying she's ugly. There you go. You can check it out. Wait, what? Real quick. Can you let me know if like my girlfriend that's cute or not? All right, word to my mother. It looks like we're going bearish right now, so we might be getting that 50% soon. So I kind of want to take a bearish trade. Um, Said I could probably catch down to the 50% instead of waiting and catching something later bullish, right? Let's see.
I'd probably go for something more like shit. Something like this or some shit. Ooh, that's 40 points though. Hmm. I'll go for this. Stop loss right there. I don't even think we come back that far, realistically speaking. Dependent on this candle though. Um, exit might not even go for that much for real. Let's take like 5 here. Then we'll take 2 here. And then 3 down here. That's calm, right? I would say that's pretty calm. Yeah, I would say that's pretty calm. We'll see how it goes. Probably should have checked for SMTs first, huh? No, we're looking good. We're looking good. No SMTs. As long as we don't get an SMT right off the bat. Oh, terrible close. Whatever. Not horrible. This is like a 1-to-1, isn't it? I'm risking a lot here. Great. 30 seconds left. I believe in this 30 seconds, we're probably going to close bearish. Unless we just get a random move like 20 points up. But the second this closes bearish, I'm confident that we go for the 50%. Or maybe not even fully the 50%. Maybe like around the... I was pointing to my screen like y'all can see. Maybe around this exit here. We might end up stopping around like this order block potentially. It leaves a little bit of room, but I don't know. Because there's an order block here. There's little consolidation zone here. Sorry, I'm looking at my thing. There you go. So first take profit is hit. I'm gonna pull up basically. Oh no, actually I forgot. I need to cancel this order and then. Nope, that's not what I want either. I almost cooked myself there. But anyway, so yeah, a little zone of consolidation here, and it retests previous highs. So it could potentially stop here, right? That's always an option. I'm so fucking grateful. Mm, we look pretty good as of right now. Oh, a little bit of an SMT skis. A little bit of an SMT skis. Is it anything to strongly worry about? Not super. Kind of. A little bit, yeah. A little bit. But I do think we at least hit this. Honestly, we'll hold out and see. We'll hold out. I'm only doing this as my guideline, so I know what position I took for my P&L later, because I do a series on my Instagram where I basically just show my P&L for the day and what trade I took, kind of like just a trade recap basically. But I need to keep this so I know what I did, because sometimes I forget. Ooh, kind of a strong opening. It was a little strong for an opening there. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm protected, so honestly, I'm not too worried. I do still need to trade 4 more days anyway. I was gonna close out. I was gonna close out just because I lost 1,000 yesterday, so I kind of want to get break even today for my account. But honestly, I've done that a lot, and sometimes it's not worth it. Sometimes it is worth it. And wow, that is a big move. That is a big move indeed. But yeah, I just don't know. I feel like since I'm already protected, well, actually, we're gonna move it to like here, just because I'm scared of slippage. I don't want to slip a little bit and have a little bit more losses than I expected. But yeah, I'm already up 500 on the day, down 500 on the account total, I believe. Yeah, down about 500 on the account total, I believe. But um, I have got I have gone for that break even, and a lot of the time it's not really worth it. And I'm kind of just waiting because I do believe we could get into the 50% of this 30-minute, but because of that SMT, it is a little difficult to tell because we swept this low on Nasdaq, but we haven't on the S&P 500 and we haven't on Dow Jones. Oh fuck! I need to stop chewing this gum. That shit burns now. Sorry, it's a nicotine patch. Fuck. Um, but yeah, we're gonna see how this candle close and then maybe make a decision, right? If this candle closes bullish again, but it's like a doji, I wouldn't stress too much. But if it closes something like this, I would. Oh yeah, it's a doji. Okay, but yeah. Now, if we can close bearish on this candle, I could probably safely drag stops to this high right here, because I'm pretty sure we're kind of following a stair step formation right now, where we're touching into the most recent low and then pushing right after, which would be profitable. Yeah, it's okay. It did close bearish, but not the bearish I wanted. So honestly, I'm gonna stop out there. Yeah. Good on me. Good on me for doing that. Yeah, I would have been full stopped out. Okay. Yeah, so we'll say I closed out here full. I think that's break even on the account. Oh wow, just barely. Damn. I'm 100 off, but whatever. Honestly, I'm gonna take that on the day. I'm gonna take that on the day because we whoa, is this news? Damn. Oh no, never mind. What the fuck? That's 50 points? I thought that was like 100. I'm tripping. Yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna stop out for the day. This is my turtle soup. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop out for the day because we didn't come down to the 50% of the 30-minute here. I'm expecting the price action to be a little bit not choppy, but harder to react to, right? Where it's gonna be like this, where I have to get in early, super early on different moves. Like maybe, oh my god, I'm like dizzy right now. Sorry, hold on. Let me see exactly. Okay, I got in here. First take profit. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna do it like this, right? Because I have the execution marks. I don't really need to see them like that. But yeah, I'm assuming this SMT is what caused that, which I mean, that's fine. I did miss out on a little bit of profit, but honestly, I'm not mad about it. Cause there was potential that we could have gone for more, definitely. Um, but it doesn't really matter to me too much. I still needed not 4 days. Sorry, today is the second day, so I only need 3 more trading days. But I'm pretty sure I can get the the requirements within the 3 days. The requirements is only 1,500 on this specific account, so I just need to get to 26,500, and then I'm good to go. Honestly, I don't even need them to be winning days. They just need to be trading days. So yeah, honestly, if sorry, I don't know why I just yelled there, but if I would have continued trading, I would have probably gotten in honestly right there. Stops out right here, and then target just right here. Only 87 points, but again, I'm on a very low risk account because it's a small, very small margin account. Um, this would probably be decent, maybe. Unless we continue down again. Because if this closes very strong bearish without a pullback, it might actually just continue. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me just watch this for a second. Because if this closes very strong bearish. Boom. Okay, yeah. So actually, I didn't even need to close out there, but I would have been closed out if I held that. Regardless, right? I'm assuming this is a turtle soup. Oh, it's an SMT turtle soup. Wow, even better. So, you know what? Now, this position, I'm very confident in it. I'm confident we're going to come down to this 50%, and we'll see it later in the trade recap. But, I'm fine with what I have today. What else? I think I got in at a decent position. I could have waited for something like this. Sorry, I have a lot of allergies right now. I can't breathe very well. But yeah, so I could have waited for this turtle soup and gotten a better position for sure. But I still think I had a decent position. I'm positive now that this is going to hit the 50% of the 30-minute, and maybe we might even come a little lower to like 830 levels before we reject. But it's fine. I have no real other entry I can get in on, and I already have my profit on the day, so I'm not going to be greedy and take extra trades or whatever. I'm just going to be done with that one trade today. And then later I'll go ahead and do a trade recap. But as of right now, I'm just gonna go straight into my content stuff. So, if you guys wanna continue watching these videos, make sure you guys sub to this channel and then like the video so it keeps showing you guys the videos. Wow, it might actually hit right now. That's unfortunate. Whatever. But yeah, so pretty decent day today. Nothing crazy happened. But yeah, so I will go ahead and post the trade recap later. I'll probably post it at like 1 p.m. just to see if I'm 1 or 2 p.m. just to see if I'm like on the right track, because I do want this to end up being bullish, right? But we have a long ways to go. Cause our opening is just above Sunday. So we do have a long ways to go. What is this, like 300 points? 700 points. Wow. I'm really bad with my with my reads today. But yeah. Hopefully everybody had a good trading day. Let's pray for a continuous good trading week. I will see everybody tomorrow or later in the trade recap.